it is time to unbox the WesAudio Pandora. Yeah, the WesAudio Pandora is a multi-band compressor, but it also has the ability to be used as an EQ as well as saturation. I'm gonna make a video definitely of the Pandora and show a bunch of audio demos, but yeah, that's pretty much the reason why I got the Pandora. I wanted something that is still pretty versatile, and I feel like the Pandora will fit in my setup and what I really need. So right off the bat, we got a USB cable. And on top of that, all the WesAudio 500 series gear has good headroom. Headroom is not going to be a problem, which is definitely important when you are mastering. So here's the unit. It is a 3-unit 500 series piece of gear, which is a little odd because the rack has 10 slots. If I want to fill it up, I would have to get 2 of these, which makes 6, and then 2 more stereo units, or I would have to get like 1 single slot. But yeah, I mean, take a look at all these controls. You got, I mean, if you take a look closely, we got the threshold on the top, we got output on the bottom, we have attack buttons, release buttons, then we got the crossover filters, wet, dry, mix knob, output, and we got a bypass button, and then A and B preset selectors, and then of course we got THD for each band. But most importantly, what a lot of people don't know is that the THD for each band is actually designed for the specific band. And then you also have sidechain filters for the low band. I don't know why this isn't focusing. Yeah, you have sidechain filters for the low, and then sidechain filter for the high band, which is actually pretty useful because if you set the crossover in a specific, if you set the crossover to a specific frequency, you can use this sidechain on the high band as sort of like a de-esser or a de-harsher. So I'm pretty excited to see how that works on like vocals or something like that. But I mean, this could probably be used on so many different things like vocals, drum bus, bass, as well as just the whole entire mix bus as well. And then obviously the best part about all WesAudio stuff is that it's digitally recallable. So I'm definitely excited to hook this up, see how it sounds. I'm going to make a demo video most likely in the next few days and have that uploaded. I'm trying to make sure that I didn't forget anything else. We got the unit, the cable. It did not come, there's no power supply, obviously, because that's what the rack is for. I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to leave this off here. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments. Leave them in the comment section below. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.